When I brought the children over to Carclew, I was astounded at the place. So I wanted to develop their interest in their self-worth, because if you give children the opportunity to express themselves, they can.
Marjorie Fitz-Gerald is one of those legendary names in South Australia. She imagined a city that had creative participation experiences for young people.
I wanted to open a carnival. Jay Wharton was a very popular personality on daytime television. She allowed me to come on. The place was crammed, and so we had Don come out and open it. We almost had to abseil him in. And he said, if this many people are interested in a youth performing arts centre, Marjorie, you can have Carclew.
Marjorie did so much to shore up Carclew. She did so much to make sure that the support was coming from government, from an engagement from community. Shoring up the financial status of arts organisations is a real specialty of Marjorie's. She understands that the arts, it is about the creative force, but it's also about the pragmatic sort of management of the books and making sure the books balance and making sure enough tickets are sold so that enough money's coming in, and there's also some government money and there's some corporate sponsorship. She was doing all that a long time before many other organisations. She was absolutely adamant that Carclew must be saved and should not be left to exposure of not being supported enough.
I cleaned it up so that it was suitable for children to come into. I helped design this carpet that's here, and if you look closely at it, you can see that there's a star, and in each child there's a star inside them wanting to get out. So I want them to come here into an environment where they weren't challenged, but they were challenged emotionally, physically, in a different way, in an artistic way. The whole principle of what I wanted them to do was that the people that were there controlling the situation were artists themselves, and that they were being actually employed when they were unemployed. There are other opportunities for using their craft. Spread the desire and the ambition.
She had a great believer that if you were involved in the arts as a young person, you would remain involved in the arts for most of your life.
She absolutely could see what the future looked like. She could see how South Australian kids and young people would benefit, and she had a vision to make it happen.